Hi, welcome to Twib User Guide. In this video, I will show you how to add and manage clients on Twib. Go to the menu and click on Manage Clients. In this panel, you can access the clients that you have added previously. To add a new client, click on the green plus button and fill up the client details as per the information available. You can also map the address of your client. If you are on the client's location, Twib will fetch your location and map it automatically. Click on the location button, move the pin, and pinpoint it to the correct location. If you have tour plan area created, then you can map the area of client from the Select Area drop-down. Once the details are added, click on Add. The client will be added to the system. Go to the Manage Clients again and check the details of the client by clicking on the I button. You can also see recent check-ins, and you can create check-ins and orders for this client directly. Search for any client from the search button. Provide the client name, client group if available, and area if added, then submit. The required clients will appear respectively. This is how you can manage clients on Twib.